Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Core 57S and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have to pick the picture size. When we tap on this we can manage the ratios connected with the quality. So we have 2 ratio, 4:3 and 16:9, and this is connected with different quality. So 4:3 we can pick with 8, 5 or 3 and 1 megapixels. 16:9 we can pick from 7 and 2, 2 and 1 or 0 and 9 megapixels. So this is how it works. For now the ratio was 4:3, so let me pick for example 16:9, and when we go back to the camera we can see that the camera frame has changed here to the little bit longer one. When we go back to the settings and pick once again the picture size, we can go back easily to 4:3 ratio. Of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, so 4:3 is with 8 megapixels. And when we go back to the camera preview, we can see that this is the original ratio here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.